Good morning, everyone. I am Anshul Pratap Singh from class 7th A. Today I am here to tell you about acid rainwater. The first question in our mind that put up is what is acid rain? Acid rain is the precipitation of acid in the form of rain in the simplest manner when atmosphere pollutes like oxides of nitrogen and sulfur react with rainwater and come down with the rain. Then this results in acid rain. Now second is causes of acid rain. Sulfur and nitrogen particles which get mixed with its components. It is in two waves, either man-made or natural causes. According to Royal Society Chemistry, which considered him the father of acid rain, the word acid rain was invented in 1852 by Scottish chemist Robert Angus Smith. Now there is effects of acid rain. It is very harm to agriculture, plants and animals. It washes away all nutrients which are required for the growth and survival of plants. Acid rain affects agriculture by the way it alerts the composition of the soil. When the acid rain fall down and flows into the rivers and ponds, it affects the aquatic ecosystem. The pH value of regular rainwater is around 5.7, giving it an acidic nature. Now we have prevention of acid rain. The only precaution that we can take against acid rain is having a check at emission of oxides of nitrogen and sulfur. Acid rain is harmful to people, plants and monuments. Being a responsible citizen, one should aware of harmful effects they cause and of industries which given out nitrogen and sulfur compound waste. Now we have real life examples. Taj Mahal, one of the seven wonders of the world, and largely affected by acid rain. The city of Agra has many industries which emit the oxides of sulfur and nitrogen in the atmosphere. Thank you.
Mathematics is the queen of all sciences. A very benevolent good morning to all of you present over here. Today, I, Samarth Maheshwari and my friend Rishi Lalwani are here to brief our math spectrum topic, which is to find out the value of pi. So now, let's begin.
We are with the three lines, line 1, line 2 and line 3. So these lines are reshaped into three circles. First circle circumference 6 cm, second circle circumference 8 cm and third circle circumference 10 cm. So we are here with the results. First circle circumference 6 cm, diameter 1.94 cm and ratio is 3.134 cm. Circle 2 circumference 8 cm, diameter 2.54 cm and ratio is 3.149 cm. Circle 3 circumference 10 cm, diameter 3.18 cm and ratio is 3.144 cm. Thank you.
Hence, to find out the value of pi, we need to divide circumference by diameter. It's simple, no? Did you find it interesting? Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rishi Lalwani. I am from class 7B. Today I will tell you how to take out the pi. So for take out the pi, first we need the thread. I have this thread. Its circumference is 31.4 centimeter. I will reshape this thread into the circle. So its diameter is 10 centimeter. Then I will divide circumference upon diameter. So my pi will come. So I will divide 31.4 by the 10 centimeter. So my answer will come 3.14. It's my pi. So in this video, with the help of circumference and the diameter, we have learned to take out the pi. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Amish Deshkar from class 7B and I am a part of Science Spectrum. My topic is room heater and it can be easily made by a box of thermocol or cardboard easily. So I have taken a thermocol box coated with red paper. So now let's see what's inside this. So I added 3 foils which conduct heat. As we were taught in chapter 4, foils or the conductors conduct heat and then they release it. Then I have added a motor with a fan here so that all the heat waves can be pushed outside. These are our 2 filaments and the main heater. This battery is connected with the fan and it is connected with a switch. So I can directly use this like this. So now let's get through. As you can see, the filaments are lit and the heater is getting heated up. After some time, the main heater will be turned on and through the main heater, the heat waves will go to the foil. And then these heat waves will go to the foil, and then from the foil, these heat waves will go to the fan. And when the fan will rotate, these heat waves will go outside. Now, when the main heater is lighted up, more heat will go to the foils, and then these foils will send this heat to the fan, and through this window, the fan will send all the heat waves outside. Now let's try it out. This warm air is really coming outside. Now, hope you like my presentation. Thank you.
This is a protractor made of paper folding. Now I'll tell you how to make it. So first draw a circle with a convenient radius on a sheet of paper and cut out the circle. Then fold it into 2 halves. And cut the crease from the semicircle. Then fold the semicircle sheet like this. Then fold it 2 times again. Then unfold it and mark the creases. Like this. This is a semicircle made by paper folding.
Good morning everyone. My name is Vishal Chaudhary and I am here to explain you probability using playing cards. Probability is the branch of mathematics considering numerical descriptions of how likely an event is to occur. Example, the probability of flipping a coin and it being a head is 1 upon 2 because there is one way of getting head because there are the total number of outcomes is 2, a head or a tail. And unbiased dice is thrown. The probability of getting an even number is 3/6 or 1 upon 2. Here are some questions related to playing cards for you to test how much you understood. This slide shows all the cards which are there in a deck of playing cards. Question 1. What is the probability of drawing a face card of red of heart? There are total 3 face cards of red heart: Jack, Queen and King. The answer is 3 upon 52. The probability of drawing a face card is 3 upon 52. Did you get it right or wrong? Question 2. What is the probability of getting ace and 2 from a deck of cards? There are total 8 cards. 4 ace and 4 twos. The answer is 8 upon 52 or 1 upon 13. Did you get it right or wrong? Question 3. What is the probability of drawing any one spade card? There are total 13 spade cards and in deck there are total 42 cards. So the probability of getting any one spade card from the whole deck is 13 upon 52 or 1 upon 4. Question 4. The king, queen and jack are removed from the deck of 52 cards and find the probability of getting a club card. So there are total 13 club cards and 3 are removed, Jack, Queen and King. So 10 cards are left. So what is the probability of getting club card? The answer is 10 upon 40 or 1 upon 4. Did you get it right or wrong? Question 5. If all the number cards below 7 are removed, what is the probability of getting card below 9? So there are total 8 cards. 7, 8, 4, 7 and 4, 8. The answer is 8 upon 28 or 2 upon 7. Did you get it right or wrong? Question 6. What is the probability of drawing a king from a deck of cards? There are total 4 kings. Did you get it right or wrong? The answer is 4 upon 52 or 1 upon 13. What is the probability of drawing a black card from a pack of cards? There are total 26 pack of black cards and there are total 52 cards in a deck. The probability is 26 upon 52 or 1 upon 2. Did you get it right or wrong? Question 8. From a shuffled pack of cards, John picked up 1 card at random. What is the probability of being a heart card? There are total 13 heart cards and there are total 52 cards in a deck. So what is the probability of getting a hearts card? The probability is 1 by 4. Did you get it right or wrong? Question 9. From a deck of 52 cards, Justin picks up at random. What is the probability of it being a red non-faced card? There are total 20 red non-faced cards. The answer is 5 upon 13. Did you get it right or wrong? A card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. The probability of getting a queen of club or a king of heart is. There are total 2 cards, 1 king heart and 1 queen of club. The answer is 1 upon 26. Did you get right or wrong?
Good morning to one and all present over here. Today I, Akshay and my friend Raju will tell you something about circuits. So today I have 2 models. One of parallel circuit and another of series circuit. So first let's know what's a circuit. A circuit is a loop in which electrons can travel. A source of electricity such as battery provides electrical energy in the circuit. A basic circuit consists of a battery, wires, a switch and a bulb or anything that can run through a battery. So now let me show you the models of parallel circuit and series. Now this is the model of a series circuit. It consists of a battery, switch, wire and bulbs. If one wire breaks down, the whole circuit will be ruined. There's only one switch and when I turn on this, all the bulbs start glowing. So here was the model of the series circuit. Next comes the model of parallel circuit. It consists of one battery, 3 switches, 3 fans and wires. In this, even if one wire breaks down, the circuit will be still useful. And there are each switches for each fan. For example, if I want to turn on the red one, I need to turn on this switch. And if I need to turn on the green one, I need to turn on this switch. Also in this circuit, if this switch is off, these fans can work independently. All fans can work independently in this. For example, If I want to turn on this fan, no need of these two switches. I only need to turn on this switch. And if I need to turn on this fan, no need of these two switches. Only I need to turn on the switch which is applicable to it like this. And same applies with it. If I need to turn on this, no need of these two switches like this. Now this is what known as a parallel circuit. Now my friend Rajveer will continue.
Hello everyone, my name is Ramesh Thakur. As you seen in the model of parallel circuit and series circuit, a parallel circuit. A parallel circuit comprises branches so that the current divides and only part of it flows through any branch. There is sharing of voltage. All appliances are simultaneously. If any appliance stop working, the remaining ones will work as their independent appliance. Here is model of parallel circuit. This is battery with the switches, wire and bulb. There is sharing of voltage. If any appliance doesn't work, the remaining will work as their independent appliance. Here is series circuit. A series circuit is a circuit in which resistors are arranged in a chain so the current has only one path. Each appliance has the original voltage. All appliances work independently. If any appliance also get damaged, the remaining appliance stop working because the circuit gets broken due to the damaged appliance. Here is diagram of series circuit. This battery, your switch, wire and bulb. Each appliance has original voltage. If any appliance stop working, the remaining will also stop working as the circuit gets broken due to the damaged appliance. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Good morning, one and all present over here. My name is Ashwin Singh Gaul and I am from class 7th. Today I am here to present my spectrum topic which is on cybercrime. So what is cybercrime? Cybercrime is broadly defined as any illegal activity involving computers, other digital devices or computer networks. Cybercrime includes common cybersecurity threats such as social engineering, software vulnerability exploits, and network attacks. So let's come on to spoofing. Uh, uh, Spoofing is a tactic in which a cyber criminal disguises malicious communication or activity as something from a trusted source. Cyber criminals use spoofing to fool victims into giving up sensitive information or money or downloading malware. It is an illegal way of gaining anyone's personal information through technology. It seems as if the person we are talking to is authentic and legitimate, but in reality, they are faking their profile in order to extract information to us. So now let's come on to phishing. So what is phishing? Uh, Phishing is a type of social engineering attack often used to steal user data, including login credentials and credit card numbers. It occurs when an attacker masquerading as a trusted entity dupes a victim into victim into opening an email, instant messages, or text messages. Let's see what is spamming. Spamming refers to unsociated bulk messages being sent through email, instant messaging, or other digital communication tools. The aim of a spammer is to send unwanted and unnecessary SMS or email which harms our desktop or device by filling up storage space. Now let's come on to cyber trolling or bullying. So, cyber trolling or bullying is any form of malicious messages, abuse, name calling, and threats using any kind of technology from social media sites to social media sites to mobile phones. Trolling has become trolling has become a more common term of any kind of purposeful online abuse on social media sites like Twitter or Facebook. Now let's see my codes which I used to make this website. These are the codes which I used to make my website. Thank you.
सुप्रभात। मेरा नाम है दक्ष व्यास और मैं 7वीं विभाग का छात्र हूँ और मेरा विषय है संस्कार। तो
संस्कार क्या होते हैं? संस्कार वो धार्मिक रिवाज है जो व्यक्ति को अपने परिवार में योग्य सदस्य बनाने के लिए उसका मन, शरीर और मानसिकता को पवित्र करते हैं। हमारे वेद और पुराणों में लिखा है 16 संस्कार होते हैं और आज मैं उनमें से कुछ से आपको परिचित करवाऊंगा। तो आगे बढ़ते हैं। नामकरण संस्कार। इस संस्कार में शिशु के पैदा होने के 11वें दिन पर शिशु के पैदा होने के समय की कुंडली और पैदा होने की जगह की कुंडली देखकर उसका नाम रखा जाता है। इसे नामकरण संस्कार कहते हैं। अन्नप्राशन संस्कार। इस संस्कार में जब शिशु के नए नए दांत आते हैं तब शिशु को खाना खिलाना शुरू करवा दिया जाता है। इसे अन्नप्राशन संस्कार कहते हैं। वेद संस्कार। इस संस्कार में बच्चों के कान छिदवाए जाते हैं। इसके दो कारण हो सकते हैं, या आभूषणों के लिए या फिर कान छिदवाने से बच्चों के सुनने की शक्ति बढ़ती है। इस कारण मुंडन संस्कार में जब शिशु की आयु 3 से 7 साल की हो जाती है तब शिशु के एक बार बाल उतरवाए जाते हैं, क्योंकि शिशु के बालों को पिछले जन्म से जोड़ा जाता है और पिछले जन्म की बातों से शिशु को मुक्त रखने के लिए यह संस्कार किया जाता है। संस्कार। इस संस्कार में जब शिशु 5 वर्ष का हो जाता है तब शिशु को गुरु के द्वारा जनेऊ धारण करवाई जाती है और गुरु के लिए विदा किया जाता है।
Hello everyone, today I, Soham Mitra, is here to introduce you and tell you more about the topic of infinity mirrors. So what exactly is an infinity mirror? An infinity mirror is a box containing 2 mirrors, and the infinity mirror makes multiple illusions or multiple images, which are in fact infinite images or illusions of an object. So now we will learn on which principle the infinity mirror works. So when between the two parallel mirrors, when the LED is turned on, as it emits the light bounces back and forth between the two parallel mirrors, which creates multiple images of the light. Now we will know about the construction of the infinity mirror. So first I have an infinity mirror here. So an infinity mirror is a 6-sided box or a hexagonal box. Then if I open this infinity mirror like this, as you can see, here I have a slightly tinted, slightly reflectful mirror, and here at the back or the bottom of the box I have a fully reflecting mirror. Now I have applied a strip of paper, which is in fact a color of black, around the inner sides of the box. The color is black because the black color absorbs most of the light and does not allow any unwanted reflections inside the infinity mirror. Then between the two parallel mirrors in the center of the infinity box is a strip of LED. This strip of LED is in fact joined with a connector through a wire to a battery, and when the battery is turned on, these LED turn on. So let me show you. As you can see, when I turn on the LED using the battery, the LED emits light which bounces back and forth, as I told earlier, and creates multiple images or illusions of the battery.
Hello everyone, I am Hashim Khan, and now I am going to give you some information about the illusion created by the infinity mirror. So as my friend Soham told you that infinity mirror has 2 mirrors. Here we have mirror A and mirror B. Mirror A is 100% reflective, that means it will reflect all the light which will fall on its surface. But mirror B is only 50% reflective. Now between these 2 mirrors we have a LED. When we will turn on our LED, the light will bounce between mirror A and mirror B. Each time the light will fall on mirror B, some light will escape through it because it is only 50% reflective. Now each time the light will escape the mirror B, less light will be reflected towards mirror A. This will create an illusion because of which the observer will see progressively dimmer lights between the real one, and this will give a tunnel-like look. So this was it all about the illusion of the mirror. Now let me give you some more information about the infinity mirror. It was invented in year 1965 by Yayoi Kusama, who was a Japanese artist, and today it is used in interior designing because it gives an aesthetic look. Now this was it all about the infinity mirror. I hope you all liked it. Thank you.
तो कैसा लगा आपको ये कठपुतली नृत्य? परंतु क्या आपको पता है कठपुतली कैसे बनाई जाती है? कठपुतली पेपर, लेदर, प्लास्टिक, कपड़े आदि से बनाई जा सकती है, परंतु ये वाली कपड़े से बनी थी। पहले हम कपड़ा लेते हैं कोई भी रंग का, और उसमें रुई डालकर उसका सर बनाते हैं और फिर उसका पूरा शरीर। फिर हम उसे सजा भी सकते हैं और उसे कपड़े भी पहना सकते हैं। परंतु मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछना चाहूंगी कि अगर आपको एक कमरे में बंद कर दिया जाए और आपको वो सारी चीजें दी जाए जो आपको चाहिए, तो आप क्या खुश रह पाएंगे? मेरे हिसाब से तो हम 2-3 दिन तो खुश रहेंगे, परंतु फिर हमें ये प्रतीत होने लगेगा कि हमें कैदी और हमें कहीं कैद कर दिया गया है। उसी प्रकार क्या आपने कभी कठपुतली के बारे में सोचा है कि उसे कैसा लगता होगा? नहीं, क्योंकि हमें अपने आप और अपनी समस्याओं से ही फुर्सत नहीं मिलती। एक बार इस पर विचार कीजिए कि कठपुतलियों को जब हम धागों से बांधकर नचाते हैं तो क्या उन्हें बुरा नहीं लगता होगा? क्या वो ये नहीं सोचती होंगी कि काश हम अपनी जिंदगी अपनी तरीके से जी पाते और हर काम खुलकर कर पाते, क्योंकि हर निर्जीव या सजीव वस्तु को अपनी स्वतंत्रता प्यारी होती है। अंत में मैं यही कहना चाहूंगी कि जिंदगी तो बस एक तमाशा है जिनमें मनुष्य एक कठपुतली है। जिंदगी जैसे हमें नचाती रहती है, हम वैसे ही नाचते रहते हैं। धन्यवाद। सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम आशी रावत है। मैं कक्षा 7वीं ब की छात्रा हूँ। मेरा विषय है राजस्थान। राजस्थान भारत गणराज्य के क्षेत्रफल के आधार पर सबसे बड़ा राज्य है। राजस्थान शब्द का अर्थ है राजाओं का स्थान, क्योंकि ये राजपूत राजाओं से रक्षित भूमि थी, इसलिए इसका नाम राजस्थान पड़ा। स्थापत्य और चित्रकला की दृष्टि से भी राजस्थान का ऐतिहासिक पक्ष काफी धनी है। आबू के दिलवाड़ा के जैन मंदिरों की स्थापत्य कला बहुत उच्च कोटि की है। चित्तौड़गढ़, रणथंभौर और भरतपुर के किलों की तो आज भी कोई सानी नहीं है। राजस्थानी स्थापत्य कला के लिए प्रसिद्ध है। राजस्थानी वेशभूषा बहुत अनोखी है, क्योंकि राजस्थान में अनेक जातियां निवास करती हैं। इनके कारण वस्त्र भी जातियों के हिसाब से पहने जाते हैं। राजस्थान के लोग ज्यादातर ग्रामीण क्षेत्रों में ही रहते हैं, इसलिए औरत घाघरा कुर्ती और पुरुष धोती कुर्ता पैंट पहनते हैं। राजस्थानी खाना विशेष रूप से शाकाहारी भोजन होता है और ये अपने स्वाद के कारण तो प्रसिद्ध हो गया है। अपनी भौगोलिक परिस्थितियों के कारण पारंपरिक राजस्थानी खाने में बेसन, दाल, मठा, दही, दूध, सूखे मसाले, सूखे मेवे, घी का अधिकतर प्रयोग होता है। कठपुतली विश्व के प्राचीनतम रंगमंच पर खेला जाने वाले मनोरंजन कार्यक्रम में से एक है। कठपुतलियों को विभिन्न प्रकार की गुड्डे गुड़ियों, जोकर आदि के पात्रों के रूप में से बनाया जाता है। इसका नाम कठपुतली इस कारण पड़ा क्योंकि पूर्व में
भी लकड़ी अर्थात काठ से बनाया जाता था। इस प्रकार काठ से बनी पुतली का नाम कठपुतली पड़ा। ये राजस्थान का प्रमुख नृत्य है। तो आइए एक मनोरंजक कठपुतली नृत्य का आनंद लीजिए।
I am Jaitam Telang from class 7th A. My topic for spectrum is a lab activity based on angle sum property of triangle. A triangle is a closed figure made up of line segment. It has 3 sides and 3 angles. Now let's start my activity. I have a cutting of triangle. I will explain the angle sum property by paper folding method. If it has 3 angles named A, B and C. First we will fold angle A, then we will fold angle B, and then we will fold angle C, such that all the 3 angles should be joined with a common vertex. Now you can see the 3 angles together are forming a semicircle, means 180 degree. So sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. Thank you.
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम खुशी खाकरे और मैं कक्षा 7वीं की छात्र हूँ। आज मैं आपको हिंदू धर्म के 16 संस्कार में से एक उपनयन संस्कार के बारे में बताऊंगी।
उपनयन संस्कार को समारोह में भी किया जाता है। इस समारोह में जिन बालक की आयु उपनयन संस्कार तक की हो जाती है वह ये समारोह में आते हैं और विधि पूर्वक उपनयन संस्कार करते हैं। उपनयन संस्कार 11वां संस्कार है और इसे जनेऊ संस्कार भी कहते हैं।
हिंदू परंपरा के अनुसार जीवन को सात्विक बनाने के लिए 16 संस्कार को अपने जीवन में अपनाना जरूरी है। जब बालक ज्ञान हासिल करने योग्य हो जाता है तो उसका सर्वप्रथम उपनयन संस्कार करना चाहिए। ब्राह्मणों में संस्कार का अति विशेष महत्व है। जब प्राचीन समय में माना जाता था कि उपनयन संस्कार करना अनिवार्य है। ब्राह्मण बालक का 8वें साल में उपनयन संस्कार किया जाता है, क्षत्रिय बालक का 11वें साल में और वैश्य बालक का 15वें साल में उपनयन संस्कार होता है। इस संस्कार में बालक को जनेऊ धारण करना रहता है। कई ग्रंथों में बालिका के भी उपनयन संस्कार के विधान हैं। आजीवन ब्रह्मचारी व्यतीत करने वाली बालिका ही यह संस्कार कर सकती है। बालक को 3-3 धागों वाली जनेऊ धारण करना रहता है और विवाहित पुरुष 6 धागों वाली जनेऊ धारण करता है। उपनयन संस्कार की विधि में सबसे पहले मुंडन किया जाता है, फिर बालक को हल्दी लगाई जाती है, इसके बाद स्नान कराया जाता है और कई अन्य रीति रिवाजों का निर्वहन किया जाता है।
इस चित्र में हिंदू धर्म के पूर्ण 16 संस्कार हैं। आइए हम देखते हैं कि जनेऊ किस प्रकार धारण किया जाता है। उपनयन संस्कार के अलावा इस चित्र में कई अन्य संस्कार हैं जिनका बालक के जीवन में काफी महत्व है, जैसे कर्णभेद संस्कार, नामकरण संस्कार, मुंडन संस्कार, अन्नप्राशन संस्कार और
Hello, I am Krishna Sharma from class 7B and today on Spectrum I am going to present the model of Legislative Assembly of Madhya Pradesh. The Legislative Assembly of Madhya Pradesh is located in Bhopal over Arera Hills. The Vidhan Sabha or the Legislative Assembly has the law of unicameral legislature, which means that only one house or party can implement laws for the country or state. The history of Legislative Assembly of the central provinces was that in 1935 elections were decided and for the central provinces and states for the laws. And finally, in 1937, these laws were made by the elections of the Legislative Assembly. The Legislative Assembly constituencies are directly elected from the elections, and it comprises of 230 seats, including 127 seats for Bharatiya Janata Party, 196 seats of Bharatiya National Congress, 4 seats of the Independent, 2 seats of Bahujan Janata Party, and 1 seat of Samajwadi Party. The Speaker presides over the meeting and has a specific seat. The Speaker of the Legislative Assembly of Madhya Pradesh is currently Mr. Girish Gautam, and the interior chairs are arranged in a circular manner which shows the exterior of the Legislative Assembly in a circle shape. Thank you.
प्रभातम मम नाम रहमत सिंह खालसा अस्ति अहम सप्तमी द कक्षायां पठामि। मैं आज आपको हर्बल दंत मंजन के बारे में बताने जा रहा हूँ। इसको बनाने के लिए आवश्यक सामग्री है लौंग, नीम, पुदीना, काली मिर्ची, सेंधा नमक और दालचीनी। इन सबको समान मात्रा में मिलाकर पीस लें और मंजन तैयार कर लें। सुबह शाम इसको अपने दांतों पर मसाज करें। इससे आपके दांत हमेशा स्वस्थ और मजबूत रहेंगे। लौंग और सेंधा नमक एंटीबैक्टीरियल होता है जिससे आपके दांत मजबूत होंगे। पुदीना हमारी सांसों की सड़न दूर करता है तथा सांसों में ताजगी देता है। नीम का उपयोग तो प्राचीन समय से दांतों की सफाई के लिए किया जाता है। यह मंजन आपके दांत को स्वस्थ, निरोगी तथा मजबूत बनाने में सहायक है। धन्यवाद।
Good morning everybody present over here. I am Divyansh Raghav from class 7th E. Today we the students of class 7th A, 7th B and 7th D are here to present the dramatization of a famous novel written by Sudha Murthy, whose title is How I Taught My Grandmother to Read, with a modern twist where the granddaughter helps her grandmother to operate a smartphone. In How I Taught My Grandmother to Read, Sudha Murthy describes the determined efforts of an illiterate old lady, Krishtaka, to make herself literate. The grandmother sets the deadline and achieves the target next to impossible within the time set for it. She was helped by her young granddaughter who acted as her only teacher. She learned to operate the smartphone on her own at the age of 62. This is how she proved that there is no age bar for learning.
Hello, how are you? Where are you these days?
Hello, I'm fine. You don't know, these days I was on my Goa trip. Have you not seen my pictures on social media?
You haven't seen? Oh, sorry. I forgot that you don't have smartphones like we have.
See, we have so branded smartphones. In this, we can use many apps. Oh, come on. Everyone has smartphones these days.
Okay, yeah, I don't have, but I'm happy with this keypad phone. Okay, so now I'm leaving. I have so much work to do at home.
Yeah, okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Listening to her friend's words, she felt disheartened and insulted that she could not use her smartphone as her friends. She went back home when her granddaughter came back from school.
Grandma, I'm home. What happened? Why are you so sad?
Oh dear, what shall I tell you? Today I met my friends and they were so happy because they had gone to their trip to Goa. And they were sharing their experiences. And they were seeing their pictures that they uploaded on social media on their smartphones. But I didn't understand anything because I did not have any knowledge about it.
to make our own random password, and then we just have to log in and done. And don't worry, I will buy a smartphone for you, and I will teach you how to operate a smartphone.
Okay, thank you, dear.
Then her granddaughter buys her a smartphone and she goes on a trip to Visakhapatnam.
Now I am going on a trip to Visakhapatnam.
Okay, Grandma, I will book the tickets for you.
Grandmother goes to Visakhapatnam, enjoys and comes back in a few days. She then asks Sudha to upload her pictures on social media. See Sudha, are these pictures nice?
Yes, Grandma, they are perfect. Let us now upload them on the Facebook account.
Pictures were uploaded by grandmother on social media and were appreciated by all her friends.
Thank you, Sudha, because of you I have learned how to use social media. And all my friends liked and commented on my pictures that I have uploaded. All thanks to you, my dear.
You are most welcome, Grandma. You have taught me so many things in life. This was just a small gesture for everything you have done for me.
Let's now have a short presentation on Sudha Murthy.
Overnight success is almost always a myth. Half of this industry is luck and half is the refusal to quit. Good morning everyone, I am Zoya Alam of class 7D and I am here to tell you about the great Indian author Sudha Murthy. Sudha Murthy, a prolific fiction author, a great Indian engineer, was born on 19 August 1950. She is the chairperson of Infosys Foundation and is married to the co-founder of Infosys Foundation, Narayan Murthy. Sudha Murthy was awarded the Padma Shri, the fourth highest civilian award in India, for social work by the Government of India in 2006. She is best known for her social work and a contribution to literature in Kannada and English. Dollar Bahu, which in English means Dollar Daughter-in-Law, is a novel originally authored by her in Kannada and later translated into English as Dollar Bahu. It was adapted as a televised dramatic Marathi film Pitru Room and the Kannada film Pratna. She has also appeared in Kaun Banega Crorepati season 11 in its finale week episode Karamveer. She has published several books that exposes her philosophical views on charity, hospitality and self-realization through fictional narratives. She frequents literary festivals and participation in television discussions on women's issues. Sudha Murthy became the first female engineer to be hired at India's largest auto manufacturer, Tata Engineering and Locomotive Company, Telco. She joined the company as a development engineer in Pune and Jamshedpur as well. She had written a postcard to the company's chairman complaining of the men-only gender bias at Telco. As a result, she was granted a special interview and hired immediately. She later joined Walchand Group of Industries at Pune as senior systems analyst. In 1996, she started Infosys Foundation and to date has been the trustee of Infosys Foundation and a visiting professor at the PG Center of Bangalore University. She also taught in Christ University. She has written and published many books, of which 2 are travelogues, 2 technical books, 6 novels and 3 educative books. She has been an inspiration for all of us. And by saying this, I'd like to conclude. Thank you.
Let us now see the dance performance of Sufi Gaur from class 7B.
Come now, follow my lead. Come now, follow my lead. Come I'm in love with your body. Oh, why, oh, why, oh, why, oh, why. 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 Now follow my lead.
Thank you everyone for watching the dramatization and presentation.
Morning, one and all present over here. My name is Vibhuti Sapre and I am the student of class 7E. And today me and my team are going to present on the topic Forest of Madhya Pradesh. Now the recorded forest area of Madhya Pradesh, and this is the start of recorded forest area of Madhya Pradesh. Recorded forest area is in the state is 94,689 square kilometers, of which 61,886 square kilometer is reserved forest and 31,908 square kilometer is protected forest and 1,705 square kilometers is unclassed forest. Madhya Pradesh has been divided into 16 forest territorial circles. Madhya Pradesh has 9 national parks and 25 sanctuaries. The major type of forest found in Madhya Pradesh are tropical evergreen forest and tropical deciduous forest. Bhanaghat near Ujjain has the dense forest. Now my friend Anushka will give you more information about the forest of Madhya Pradesh. Thank you from my side.
Good morning, respected teachers and all my dear friends. Today, I, Anushka Gupta of class 7th, will tell you about forest of MP. MP cover largest forest area in the country. There are various types of forests found in MP. These are teak. These types of forests grow under the rainfall of 75 to 125 cm. Second, sal. These types of forests grow under the rainfall of 125 cm. Last but not the least is bamboo. These types of forests grow under the rainfall of 75 cm. Forests found in MP are tropical moist deciduous forests. They cover the area of 8.97%. Second, tropical dry deciduous forest. These types of forests cover the area of 88.65%. Last, tropical thorn forest. These types of forest cover the area of 0.26%. There are various types of animals found in MP. These are tiger, panther, sambar, etc. Thank you. Now my friend Ishnur will tell more about forests found in MP.
morning to one and all present over here. This is Ishnu Kordua. Today I am going to tell you about the forest of Madhya Pradesh with the help of my presentation. So, forest and its importance. Forest is a place covered with high density of trees and we are dependent on forest for our survival. From the air we breathe to wood we use. Forest provides shelter and food to many living organisms like animals, insects, microorganisms, etc. Forest of Madhya Pradesh covers around 94,689 square kilometers. Have you ever wondered where we live has such a huge forest? Madhya Pradesh has tropical deciduous forest and dried thorns and evergreen forest. Largest forest in MP is present in Balaghat. Percentage of forest present in MP is 30.72. Madhya Pradesh has maximum teak forest in India. Madhya Pradesh has the largest forest cover in India.
सुप्रभातम मित्रों, मेरा नाम भोजायु सिंह है। मैं कक्षा 7वीं ब का छात्र हूँ। मैंने एक खेल बनाया है। जैसे आप सब जानते हैं कि आजकल हम हिंदुस्तान में रह रहे हैं, तो हिंदुस्तान की मातृभाषा है हिंदी, पर हम किसी शब्द को शुद्ध हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं वो हम नहीं बता पाते। जैसे आपसे कोई बोले ट्रेन को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं, तो आप कहते हैं कि रेलगाड़ी कहते हैं, पर ये रेलगाड़ी हिंदी नाम है, पर उसे शुद्ध हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं, इसके ऊपर मैंने एक खेल बनाया है। तो आइए अब मैं ये खेल खेलता हूँ अपने परिवार वालों के साथ। तो सबसे पहले मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगा अपनी बहन को। हाँ, तो बताओ बहन, क्रिकेट को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? गेंद बल्ला। नहीं, हमें क्रिकेट को हिंदी में कहते हैं गोल कट्टम लक्कड़ बग्गम दे तनादन प्रतियोगिता। ठीक है, आप जाओ। अब मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगा अपनी माँ को। मम्मी, तो आप बताइए ट्रेन को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? रेलगाड़ी। रेलगाड़ी नहीं कहते हैं, हम उसे कहते हैं लोहपथगामिनी। अब मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगा अपने पिताजी को। तो पिताजी बताइए बैंक को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं?
बैंक को हिंदी में कहते हैं बैंक।
नहीं, बैंक को हिंदी में कहते हैं वित्त कोष। तो देखा मित्रों, कैसे हम यहाँ पे अलग अलग चीजों के शुद्ध हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं लिखा है। जैसे हम टेलीफोन को कहते हैं दूरभाष, और वैसे ही हम टीवी को हिंदी में कहते हैं चित्रपटल दूरवीक्षण। अब वैसे ही हम फ्रिज को हिंदी में कहते हैं प्रशीतक, और ब्लैक बोर्ड को हिंदी में कहते हैं श्यामपट्ट, और मास्क को हिंदी में कहते हैं मुखवारण। तो देखा आपने दोस्तों, कैसे मैंने अलग अलग चीजों के शुद्ध हिंदी में उन्हें क्या कहते हैं उसके ऊपर बनाया है। धन्यवाद।
चौथे प्रश्न की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। चौथा प्रश्न है कि महाराज शांतनु कौन से राज्य के राजा थे? नंबर 1 अयोध्या, नंबर 2 हस्तिनापुर, नंबर 3 गांधार या नंबर 4 मगध।
इस प्रश्न का सही उत्तर है नंबर 1 हस्तिनापुर।
तुमने 4 प्रश्नों का तो सही जवाब दे दिया, पर अब 5वें का दो। 5वां प्रश्न है कि गंगा के पुत्र का क्या नाम था? नंबर 1 विदुर, नंबर 2 भीष्म, नंबर 3 पांडु या नंबर 4 धृतराष्ट्र।
इस प्रश्न का सही जवाब है नंबर 2 भीष्म।
बिल्कुल सही, गंगा के पुत्र का नाम भीष्म था। दक्ष, तुमने 5 प्रश्नों का सही उत्तर दे दिया, तो ये लो तुम्हारा इनाम।
धन्यवाद। तो चलिए अब हम इसी के साथ प्रश्नों का खेल समाप्त करते हैं।
उम्मीद है कि आपको हमारी यह परियोजना पसंद आई और खेल खेल में आपको जानकारियां भी प्राप्त हुई। हमें अपना बहुमूल्य समय देने के लिए शुक्रिया। धन्यवाद।
2018, नंबर 3 2011 या नंबर 4 2020?
इस प्रश्न का सही जवाब है नंबर 3 2011। भारत 2011 में वर्ल्ड कप जीता था।
बहुत खूब, भारत 2011 में वर्ल्ड कप जीता था। दक्ष, तुम्हारा आखिरी प्रश्न है कि एग्रीकल्चर शॉट किस खेल से संबंधित है? नंबर 1 पोलो, नंबर 2 हॉकी, नंबर 3 गोल्फ या नंबर 4 क्रिकेट?
इस प्रश्न का सही जवाब है क्रिकेट।
दक्ष, तुमने 5 प्रश्नों का सही उत्तर दिया, तो ये लो तुम्हारा इनाम।
धन्यवाद।
अब मेरा मित्र दक्ष एक और बार हमारे प्रश्न चक्र को घुमाएगा। हमारा प्रश्न चक्र वापस घूम चुका है। जैसा कि आपने देखा कि हमारा सूचक महाभारत पे आया, तो चलिए प्रश्न करना आरंभ करते हैं। दक्ष, तुम्हारा अगला प्रश्न है कि किसको दामोदर के नाम से भी जाना जाता था? नंबर 1 अर्जुन, नंबर 2 सहदेव, नंबर 3 श्री कृष्ण या नंबर 4 युधिष्ठिर?
इस प्रश्न का सही उत्तर है श्री कृष्ण।
बहुत खूब दक्ष, पर तुम्हारा अगला प्रश्न है कि गांडीव किसके धनुष का नाम था? नंबर 1 कर्ण, नंबर 2 भीष्म, नंबर 3 द्रोण या नंबर 4 अर्जुन?
इस प्रश्न का सही उत्तर है नंबर 4 अर्जुन।
बिल्कुल सही जवाब। अर्जुन के धनुष का नाम गांडीव था। तो चलो अब हम अगले प्रश्न की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। दक्ष, तुम्हारा अगला प्रश्न है कि महाभारत का युद्ध कितने दिन चला? नंबर 1 18 दिन, नंबर 2 20 दिन, नंबर 3 19 दिन या नंबर 4 17 दिन?
इस प्रश्न का सही उत्तर है महाभारत का युद्ध 18 दिन तक चला था।
बहुत बढ़िया, महाभारत का युद्ध 18 दिन तक ही चला था। तो चलिए अब हम चौथे प्रश्न की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। चौथा प्रश्न है कि महाराज शांतनु कौन से राज्य के राजा थे? नंबर 1 अयोध्या, नंबर 2 हस्तिनापुर, नंबर 3 गांधार या नंबर 4 मगध?
इस प्रश्न का सही उत्तर है नंबर 1 हस्तिनापुर।
तुमने 4 प्रश्नों का तो सही जवाब दे दिया, पर अब 5वें का दो। 5वां प्रश्न है कि गंगा के पुत्र का क्या नाम था? नंबर 1 विदुर, नंबर 2 भीष्म, नंबर 3 पांडु या नंबर 4 धृतराष्ट्र?
इस प्रश्न का सही।
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Tanishka Tiwari and today me and my friends will tell you about 2 different types of tribes present in MP. First, Bhil tribe. Bhils are distributed widely in upland areas of several states such as Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Bhil art is a tribal art of Bhil tribes in India. The Bhils are second largest tribe in India who rise in western and central India. Bhils belong to race of the pre-Aryans. The name Bhil is derived from word villu or billu, which means bow in Dravidian language. Today, Bhil's economy is based on agriculture. Earlier, they used to do shifting cultivation, but due to increasing pressure on land, now they have switched over settled cultivation. Bhil houses are made up of water, clay, and cattle dung, and most of the houses are two-story buildings. Now my friend Arohi will tell you about its cuisine, culture and dance.
Bhogar is a traditional folk dance. Bhagoriya is a well-known dance of the Bhils, a large town of Jhabua district in Madhya Pradesh. Cuisine. Main foods of Bhils are maize, onion, garlic and chili which they cultivate in their small fields. Thank you.
The Gond tribe is one of the largest groups in India. Gond live all over central India and in the states of Maharashtra and Odisha. Gond paintings are considered to be predominantly from Madhya Pradesh. It is also quite common in Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh and Odisha. The Gonds worship plants and animals, especially the Saja tree. Stone representing soul of the dead or handles are kept in a handle called the fruit of a Saja tree. Rani Durgavati was the most famous ruler of the kingdom. The kingdom was then ruled by the Mughals. After the Third Anglo War, Marathas took over the kingdom. Then after the war, British took over the revenue collection. The Gonds who were dependent on the forest took a step up to go against the British forest policies. This led to the Basque Rebellion in 1910. The people
of the Gond tribe earn their livelihood by hunting and selling products like mango, amla, mahua, fishes, rice and tree roots. The Gonds use natural materials like mud, grass, palm leaves, etc. to build their huts. And now my friend Paki will tell you about the culture of the Gond tribe.
Culture of the Gond tribe. They mainly involve their deities in their culture. Dance form of the Gond tribe is karma. The occasion of the dances to be performed in the spring. Both men and women perform this dance. Gond diet has two staple food, ashwada and putni. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all present over here. My name is Ashwin Singh Gaur and I am from class 7th A. Today I am here to present my spectrum topic which is on cybercrime. So what is cybercrime? Cybercrime is broadly defined as any illegal activity involving computers, other digital devices or computer networks. Cybercrime includes common cybersecurity threats such as social engineering, software vulnerability exploits, and network attacks. So let's come on to spoofing. Uh, Spoofing is a tactic in which a cyber criminal disguises malicious communication or activity as something from a trusted source. Cyber criminals use spoofing to fool victims into giving up sensitive information or money or downloading malware. It is an illegal way of gaining anyone's personal information through technology. It seems as if the person we are talking to is authentic and legitimate. But in reality, they are faking their profile in order to extract information to us. So now let's come on to phishing. So what is phishing? Uh, Phishing is a type of social engineering attack often used to steal user data, including login credentials and credit card numbers. It occurs when an attacker masquerading as a trusted entity dupes a victim into victim into opening an email, instant messages or text messages. Let's see what is spamming. Spamming refers to unsociated bulk messages being sent through email, instant messaging, or other digital communication tools. The aim of a spammer is to send unwanted and unnecessary SMS or email which harms our desktop or device by filling up storage space. Now let's come on to cyber trolling or bullying. So, cyber trolling or bullying is any form of malicious messages, abuse, name calling, and threats using any kind of technology from social media sites to social media sites to mobile phones. Trolling has become trolling has become a more common term of any kind of purposeful online abuse on social media sites like Twitter or Facebook. Now let's see my codes which I used to make this website. These are the codes which I used to make my website. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Smith Chandrani from class 7th and today I am going to explain about measuring. So you all can see that the x is on left hand side and the value of x is totally 3. And so I have to balance this weight. So I will add either 1 time x or I can add 3 times 1 like this. And suppose if I have added here 1 time x, so how will I balance the weight? So either I can add minus x on the right hand side I mean. So which will balance the weight means x is equal to 3, or either I can add 1 time x or on the left hand side, or I can add 3 times 1, which can balance the weight like this. And if suppose if I erase this all and change the value of x and then keep this x on this side, so I add 1 time minus 1. So to balance this in the minus 1, I can add 4 times 1. There is no need to add 5 times because I have already added minus 1 on this side, and 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. Like this. Thank you.
शरीर माध्यम खलु धर्म साधनम सर्वेभ्यो नमो नमः मम नाम यशस्विदाने अस्ति अद्य अहम त्रिफला विषय वदामि। त्रिफला एक रासायनिक सूत्र है जिसमें हरितकी, विभीतक और अमलकी के बीज निकालकर 1:2:3 की मात्रा में लिया जाता है। त्रिफला का शाब्दिक अर्थ है 3 फल, जो कि है अमलकी यानी कि आंवला, विभीतक और हरितकी। त्रिफला हमारी सेहत के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है। इसका सेवन करने से हृदय रोग तथा उच्च रक्तचाप में राहत मिलती है। यह कब्ज जैसी बीमारियों का भी इलाज करता है और यह हमारी आंखों के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा होता है। यह हमारे शरीर से त्रिदोष भी हटाता है, जो कि होता है वात, पित्त और कफ, तथा मधुमेह रोगियों के लिए तो ये बहुत ही कारगर माना जाता है। इसका आविष्कार ऋषि भागवत ने किया है, जो कि आयुर्वेदिक के एक ऋषि हैं। इसको बनाने के लिए 100 ग्राम हरितकी, 200 ग्राम विभीतक और 300 ग्राम अमलकी का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। त्रिफला चूर्ण हमारे सेहत के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा होता है और मोटे लोगों के लिए भी काफ़ी लाभदायक होता है, क्योंकि इसको लेने के बाद मोटे लोगों का वज़न काफ़ी जल्दी घटने लग जाता है और ये कमज़ोर तथा हाई ब्लड प्रेशर के लोगों के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा होता है। त्रिफला चूर्ण को अलग अलग समय पे लेने से हमें उसके अलग अलग फ़ायदे देखने मिलते हैं। अगर हम बिल्कुल स्वस्थ हैं तो हम इसे सुबह ले सकते हैं, लेकिन अगर हमें पथरी जैसी बीमारी है तो इसे रात में खाने के बाद लेना चाहिए। अब आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि यह फ़ायदेमंद तो बहुत है, लेकिन इसको लें कैसे? तो उसके लिए सबसे पहले आप त्रिफला चूर्ण को पानी में भिगोकर रख दीजिए और थोड़ी देर के बाद इसको बॉईल करने के लिए, उबालने के लिए गैस पे रख दीजिए। जैसे ही ये उबल जाए तो थोड़ी देर इसे ठंडा होने दीजिए और फिर कप में निकाल कर पी लीजिए। लेकिन आप इसको 1 कप से ज़्यादा बार ना पिए, क्योंकि 1 कप से ज़्यादा बार पिएंगे तो त्रिफला का पानी हमें नुकसान कर सकता है, हमारे शरीर को नुकसान कर सकता है। धन्यवाद।